Immunity Boosting Plants and Home Remedies. Presentation done by students of 2nd MSc Botany, Mount Carmel College. In these distressing times, it is extremely important that we abide by rules for controlling the spread of COVID-19, as much as we can take precautions to keep ourselves fit and healthy. We present to you a few medicinal plants and simple remedies for primary healthcare needs to keep your immune system in good health during this lockdown period. We intend to introduce you to a few easily available herbal immune boosting drugs right out of your kitchen or home garden. Please note, we are not promoting anything as a cure for COVID-19. Kindly seek medical help on the appearance of symptoms and cooperate with medical professionals to help us win the fight on the virus. The first plant we will be talking about is black pepper. The botanical name of pepper is Piper nigrum. Common names are black pepper in English, menasu in Kannada and kali mirch in Hindi. The part used as medicine is the fruit. Pepper has long been known for its antibacterial properties. It is an important respiratory medicine. It is used to treat sinus infections, nose blockages, to cure cold and cough, to cure a sore throat, and to ease chest congestion. Please note, a high dose of black pepper can have adverse effects. Home remedies using pepper. Adding a pinch of pepper into your herbal tea every morning is an effective way to make sure you derive its medical benefits. Take about 3 to 4 pepper seeds, grind them into a fine powder and eat it with a tablespoon of honey once a day for 3 days. This remedy cures cough and cold. Mix pepper powder with milk and apply it on the forehead to cure headache. To a glass of boiling milk, add a pinch of turmeric and about half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Boil it for a couple of minutes. Drink this hot to relieve congestion, dry cough, phlegm and cold. The second plant is guduchi, commonly known as Amrutaballi. The botanical name of guduchi is Tinospora cordifolia. It is known as Amrutaballi in Kannada and heart-leaved moon seed in English. The part used as medicine is the stem. Medicinal uses of guduchi. It is effective against respiratory infections. Guduchi has been preferred traditionally to treat ailments such as bronchitis and chronic cough. It is known to bring down fever effectively. Guduchi also boosts immunity, promoting vitality in a person. Home remedies. 2 grams of guduchi powder with honey can be consumed once a day to build up immunity. Make a decoction by adding 1 spoon of guduchi powder to 1 cup of water. Reduce it to half by boiling and consume it once a day. This brings down fever and also boosts immunity. The third plant is tulsi. The botanical name of tulsi is Ocimum sanctum. It is known as holy basil in English. The parts used as medicine are leaves and flowers. Medicinal uses of tulsi. It is used to treat asthma, bronchitis, arthritis, cold and flu. It is an age-old ingredient for treating fever and relieving skin infections. It helps to protect the heart and is useful in reducing cholesterol levels in the blood. Remedies using tulsi. You can make a tulsi leaves extract, which is known as a swarasa. Tulsi leaves extract increases the helper T cells and natural killer cells activity, boosting the immune system. Grind about 200 grams of fresh leaves with about 100 ml of water. Strain the extract and obtain the juice. Consume it with a little of honey. Tulsi, honey and turmeric can also be used to make a decoction. Boil tulsi in 1 cup of water. Add a tablespoon of honey to it and a pinch of turmeric. Allow it to boil till it reduces to 3/4. This combination aids in digestion by stimulating the flow of bile and also has anti-inflammatory, antifungal activities. This protects you from cold and cough. The next plant is mint. Botanical name of mint is Mentha arvensis. It is known as Pudina in Hindi and Kannada. The part used are leaves. Medicinal uses of mint. Mint is very cooling and aids in digestion and helps cure breathing disorders. It also treats asthma, common cold, cures a headache, helps in oral care, weight loss, and improves brain power. Home remedies. Pudina Kashaya. Take a handful of pudina leaves and boil them in 50 ml of water. Add ginger, dhania, and pepper to the water. Boil until the flavor of dhania and pudina is obtained. Filter and consume it with jaggery. The next plant is Coleus, also known as Dodpatre in Kannada. The botanical name of Dodpatre is Coleus aromaticus. It is known as Patta Ajwain in Hindi and Karpuravalli in Tamil. The part used are the leaves. Medicinal uses of Coleus. It is a powerful expectorant to eliminate mucus and phlegm from your respiratory tract. This can also help you to boost your immune system. It is used in treating other health disorders like heart, abdominal, and intestinal diseases. Home remedies using Coleus. Coleus leaves are mixed with 1 teaspoon of honey and a pinch of pepper is taken to bring down the symptoms of cold and cough. If you are suffering from a cold, a sore throat, congestion, a stuffy nose, or painful sinuses, you can chew these leaves or make a tea from these leaves. These leaves are generally used to make a regional dish known as tambuli, which helps in cooling the body and also is good for maintaining immunity. The next plant that we have is Amla. The botanical name of Amla is Phyllanthus emblica. It is also known as Indian gooseberry, Amlaki, and Usirikai in various languages. All parts of the plant are used as medicine. Medicinal uses of Amla. It is used to fight against respiratory infections, flu, and digestive issues. Amla also exhibits strong antioxidant activity. Amla stimulates the defense mechanism in the body. Home remedies using Amla. 2 to 3 fruits of Amla are taken, washed, de-seeded, and cut into small pieces. This is ground finely along with lemon, and the paste is mixed in lukewarm water, filtered, and consumed along with honey. Immunity boosting formulations. Immunity boosting drink. Ingredients: Amrutaballi, Tinospora cordifolia stem 6 inches, Nelabevu, Andrographis paniculata, aerial parts 1 handful, Osmum sanctum, tulsi leaves 1 handful, coriander seeds, dhania 10 grams, cumin seeds, jeera 10 grams, black pepper, menasu 20 grams. The leaves are cut into small pieces. The seeds are pounded into a coarse powder. Add them into 400 ml of water. Boil it on a moderate flame. Reduce it to 100 ml, cool and filter. You can add jaggery according to your taste. Dosage: 30 ml in an empty stomach at least for 10 days. Indication: it is very good for the prevention and cure of non-specific fevers such as H1N1, dengue, or any other viral fever and infections. Formulation number 2. Moringa soup. Ingredients: drumstick leaves and stalks 1 handful, small onions 5, 1 tomato, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin, a pinch of turmeric, salt as per taste, and water 1 to 1.5 liters. Cooking method: grind all the ingredients in a mixer to obtain a coarse paste. Mix this paste with water and allow it to boil. Once it is cooked well, add pepper powder and serve. A common preparation is an Ayurvedic powder which is known as Triphala Churna. It uses 3 fruits, Amla, Vibhitaki, and Haritaki as its ingredients. Take 1 gram of each of the fruit in a dry form. Pound it well to obtain a fine powder. Then sieve to get a smooth texture. This powder can be consumed in between meals on an empty stomach. It can also be mixed with warm water and honey to be consumed in a liquid form. This helps relieve digestive disorders. This chart represents the multi-dimensional therapeutic effects of Triphala when combined with various ingredients like sugar, ghee and honey, etc. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.